So although Samsung crossed the $1,000 mark with Galaxy S20 this year, there's absolutely nothing that could potentially stop the buzz around the upcoming Galaxy Note 20. We already have a couple of reports claiming different stuff about the phone, and also there's this video online that Samsung posted as an ad commercial for the new wind-free air conditioner, which shows how a mobile phone could use SmartThings to behave as a controller of the AC. But here's the twist. The company didn't use a Galaxy S20 or even the Note 10. Instead, they used a completely new device that has all this display thing going on, and there's not even a hole-in display tag on this phone. The form factor is similar to Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and as soon as the video arrived, it got viral among Samsung fans, as a lot of them started predicting that it is the Note 20 Ultra, which to be honest is not the case. Look, Samsung wanted to make this commercial, and the ultimate goal of any commercial is to attract people. And to do this, the company used a generic device that the design team of Samsung built for this purpose, and it surely worked out. All-screen phones are definitely the future of smartphone technology, but it isn't ready right now. So believe it or not, this is just a prototype and not the Galaxy Note 20. According to an insider info, the Note 20 series will almost be like Galaxy S20 with only S Pen as a differentiating factor. Even the camera position on the Note 20 would remain same, and most probably the configuration too. So now you must be asking this question, why should we wait for it? Well, if you're into performance, you're surely gonna stand here with me. As we all know, the Galaxy S20 comes with Snapdragon 865 in selected markets. Majority of us have to deal with the Exynos variant, which to be honest, sucks in real world. But if we just talk about Snapdragon variant, it looks like Samsung will use a supercharged version of Snapdragon 865 on the Note 20. Usually it's not the same scenario, but this time it surely is. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus just popped up on Geekbench, and according to the numbers we see, the phone could be the first one to cross 3 GHz speed barrier with the help of new processor. To be exact, the processor can top 3.09 GHz mark, which is insane because 2.85 GHz is the top speed of Snapdragon's 865's Gold performance score. In simple words, the Galaxy Note 20 will be the most powerful Android phone out there, even if it's for a short time, because eventually other companies are gonna follow up. About the RAM, I guess it's gonna vary, and by that I mean it's surely gonna go up to 16 GB for the top model. So now what we have to deal with is Exynos variant, because majority of us are gonna end up with it. There's an overclocked version of Exynos 990, but there's no chance that the company will use AMD GPU with it, as it will be the part of S11 next year. Of course, if you're lucky enough. All in all, the Galaxy Note 10 will be available to us with the same price but reduced performance, and it has nothing to deal with if you are from America or China. That said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.